There's a Zen saying in Japan: the garden that takes the least effort to maintain is the one designed with the most wisdom. That's true for gardens. It's even more true for your life. Look at how you live. If you're like most people, everything feels overcomplicated. You own too much, say yes to too much, chase too many goals at once. Then you wonder why you're so tired. Thoreau said, "Simplicity is the law of nature." When life is simple, you see clearly where you stand, where you're going. Bury it under stuff and noise, and everything blurs. My grandfather lived almost impossibly simply, and he was the most peaceful man I've ever known. I asked him how he stayed so calm. He said, "I just removed everything that disturbed my calm. What remained was peace." So here's the Japanese approach to a low-maintenance life. First, own less, breathe more. Everything you own quietly demands your time and attention. Keep only what serves a clear purpose. Let go of the rest, and your mind gets lighter along with your space. Second, kill decision fatigue. Every tiny choice burns mental fuel. Build a simple routine you follow without thinking. Same morning, similar clothes, similar meals, and you meet your day with a clear, rested mind. Third, choose depth over numbers. A garden with 100 flowers looks beautiful from far away, but 5 flowers you tend every day give you real joy. Stop forcing connections that drain you. Fourth, stop carrying what isn't yours. 2 monks cross a river, one carries a woman over. Hours later, the other is still fuming. The first says, "I set her down at the river. You've been carrying her ever since." When the turmoil isn't yours, put it down. Fifth, spend only on what matters. Before you buy, pause and ask, "Do I actually need this?" Spend freely on the few things you love, almost nothing on the rest. Sixth, keep food simple. Eat mostly whole foods. Stop at 80% full. Drop the calorie math and eat with gratitude. Seventh, be consistent, not extreme. Walk every day. Rest on a rhythm. Consistency over time beats intensity in short bursts, every time. Eighth, tame your technology. No phone for the first 30 minutes after waking. Kill the notifications. The moments you fill with scrolling can be filled with real life. Ninth, live in this moment. When you eat, just eat. When you walk, just walk. Stop dragging yesterday and tomorrow into right now. Thoreau wrote, "I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately." That's a low-maintenance life, clearing enough space to actually feel your days instead of racing through them. Tell me in the comments, what part of your life do you want to simplify first? Write it. I will live a low-maintenance life. Thank you for